你好. Welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 56. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 魔鬼、天使、怪物、吸血鬼、公主、王子、女王、国王. If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 55 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have 母语,母语,母语,语言,语言,语言. The meaning of 母语 is mother tongue, and the meaning of 语言 is language. So 母语 is mother tongue, and 语言 is language. Once again, 母语 is mother tongue, and 语言 is language. Let's read together, guys. 母语,母语,母语,语言,语言,语言. The next one, we have 方言,方言,方言, 打字,打字,打字. The meaning of 方言 is dialect, and the meaning of 打字 is to type. So 方言 is dialect, and 打字 is to type. Once again, 方言 is dialect, and 打字 is to type. Let's read together. 方言,方言,方言,打字,打字,打字. Another vocabs here. 英文,英文,英文,中文,中文,中文. Yingwen is English, and 中文 is Chinese language. So 英文 is English, and 中文 is Chinese language. Once again, 英文 is English, and 中文 is Chinese language. Let's read together. 英文,英文,英文,中文,中文,中文. We also have another two vocabs here. 日语,日语,日语,韩语,韩语,韩语. 日语 is Japanese language. 韩语 is Korean language. So 日语 is Japanese language. 韩语 is Korean language. Once again, 日语 is Japanese language, and 韩语 is Korean language. Let's read together. 日语,日语,日语,韩语,韩语,韩语. And that's all, guys, for today's lesson. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.